There once lived an elder in a Maasai village, a wise man named Kofi. Known for his wisdom and patience, Kofi had seen many seasons come and go, and he knew well the ways of the world. The Maasai village is bustling with life. Young Maasai men and women are busy with their daily tasks, some tending to cattle, others preparing food, and children playing in the background. A young Maasai man named Kamau approaches Kofi, looking frustrated and anxious. One day, a young man named Kamau came to Kofi. Kamau was troubled, his face etched with worry. Kamau, desperate, frustrated. Elder Kofi, I feel lost. My friends have all achieved great things. Some have become great warriors, others have started families or prospered in their work. But me, I am still struggling to find my path. I feel left behind. Close-up of Kofi, his face calm, eyes gentle. Kofi, softly reassuring. Sit with me, Kamau. Let me tell you a story. Kofi gestures to the vast plains in front of them, where a group of wildebeest and zebras are grazing side by side. The camera focuses on these animals, moving calmly and steadily. Do you see those wildebeest and zebras, Kamau? Every year they journey across the plains in search of water and fresh grass. The wildebeest run swiftly, leading the way, while the zebras move more slowly, taking their time. Kamau nods, listening intently. Kofi continues. At first, it seems like the wildebeest are ahead, always the first to reach their destination. But look closely. The zebras are not in a hurry. They find their own path, at their own pace, stopping to rest when needed. And yet, in the end, both reach the same destination. They arrive in their own time. The camera pans back to Kamau and Kofi under the tree. A gentle breeze rustles the leaves, and Kamau appears more thoughtful, his expression softening. Kofi turned to Kamau, his voice steady and calm. You see, Kamau, life is much like the journey of these animals. Some move fast, some move slowly. But it does not matter who arrives first or last. What matters is that we all move at our own pace, on our own path. The world is wide, and there is time enough for everyone. Close-up of Kamau, a look of understanding dawning on his face. Kamau, so, it is not wrong to move slowly? Kofi, smiling. Not at all, my young friend. Your path is yours alone. Do not rush, do not compare. Trust your journey, stop worrying. Everyone moves at their own timeline. Kamau looks out over the plains, watching the wildebeest and zebras, now with a calm smile on his face. He takes a deep breath, feeling a sense of peace. Kamau felt a weight lifted from his shoulders. He realized that he didn't need to measure his progress against others. He could trust his journey, knowing that he would reach his destination when the time was right. Kamau stands up, a serene look on his face, and begins to walk back to the village with a newfound sense of purpose. And so Kamau returned to his life, no longer anxious, no longer comparing. He had learned that life's journey is not a race, but a personal path, unique to each of us. Remember, your timeline is yours alone. Trust it, honor it, and move at your own pace. Trust your journey, embrace your timeline. If this story resonated with you, subscribe for more wisdom and stories from the journey within. Remember, your journey is yours to make.